This is my Aquascape so far.
Yeah, we started recording it a little bit late. Michael's like, shouldn't we be recording this? It's like, yeah.
So, you can watch me read Aquascape. It's weird people watching me, but...
Let's turn this off so we can...
What? Where's the music? Never mind.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this on. So this that you're getting ready to plant is Rotella bonsai. This should do good.
I did this all by myself, no help.
So it gets kind of tall, Michael.
Yeah, so it should be kind of back. It should not be in the little kids' playground.
Just don't plant it upside down.
It's upside down.
Good job.
No!
Just wiggle it down in the sand deeper, and then let go and kind of keep wiggling it as you pull it out.
There's some hair in here.
It's alright, clean it out. It was on that wood.
And a bug was on that wood. Oh no, it's a bug! You'll be fed to the frog!
Okay, you're getting water all over. Come on down.
Wait, Dad, I need a fin. Okay. Come here. It's kind of boring without music.
Okay, but then they wouldn't be able to hear you talking. I want to be an old man by the time you get that planted.
Come here, finally. How old are you now, Dad?
Doesn't matter.
Well, I thought you said you were going to be an old man.
Okay, get some leaves.
You're going to be inside. Yeah. Freeze hunting. Who is this one problem? I'm sorry if this video is long, but I'm only 10 in aquascaping. I'm only 10 I'm aquascaping this beautiful tank.
Alright, we're recording again.
Yes, guys, I
lost the battery.
Yes. Well, what do you guys think of the tank?
Alright.
I'm 10-year-old.
Did you plant that other?
What?
The other plants? Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
This is a floaty plant.
Yep, for the baby
and I'm
guppies.
training this one to float.
It'll grow.
Okay. Okay, guys, what do you guys think? Comment down below.
Alright, we're going to float the guppies in there and get them used to that tank.
Well, what about the hair?
We'll get it out.
Or the koi guppies will eat it. Either way. What? What?
Scoop that.
Oh, that I did not know I was supposed to do that. And, or they're kind of nibbling on the bones. Okay, guys. Comment down below if the fish will like it. These ones right here. And this was Aquascape by me, Michael, a 10-year-old. Does this look beautiful for a 10-year-old dude? Just comment down below, okay? Do you think this looks beautiful for a 10-year-old to escape it?
I think it's beautiful if you think
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Alright, go ahead.
What? What?
Tell them why you chose to do it that way.
Okay. I chose to do this because it looks cool and I was thinking about the fish and it looks real natural to me. That none of this is fake in here. 0%. 0% is fake. Everything is real. Yeah, there's nothing plastic. Oh. There's plastic.
Well, they're filtered.
I was trying to cover the filter. Filter though.
Yeah.
Like, look at this. Look over here. Okay, guys. So beautiful. And I also choose this style because I want it to be light and dark, too. Both.
For contrast.
Yes.
That's what we call that.
Contrast. And I managed to fit 6 rocks in here. They'll love it because they have so much security, and all these driftwood has holes that they can hide in if they're babies. Yeah. And I call this the little baby center. Baby plant center. I wanted it to kind of look like a bridge, but it falls down, so I'm like, okay.
Alright, goofball, we're going to cut this off. And so...
Bye. Subscribe to our channel.
Hold on, sit right there next to it and kind of move your head a little bit so I can get you and the... There you go.
Subscribe, like, and hit that bell so you won't miss any videos.
And what channel are they subscribing to, Michael?
3B Aquatics.